Changing your bank account on Easyship is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your payment information efficiently. Step 1. Log into your Easyship account. Access the Easyship website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Payment Information. In the Account Settings menu, find and select the Payment Information section. This is where you can manage your bank account details. Step 4. Update bank account details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ishrak.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your bank account information, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment information has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your bank account on Easyship. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Easyship support for assistance.